This website that I'm going to share with you, you can earn anywhere from, let's say, $500 to even over $1,000 using this particular website. So keep watching this video all the way to the end. I'm going to show you step by step how you can use this simple little method to make this type of money or even more doing what I'm going to share with you in this video. So if this is your first time, make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family. My name is Andre. I create videos like this, and every time I come out with a brand new video, you're going to be the first one to know. So make sure you smash that bell notification and you subscribe. So let's jump right into the video. Now, the first website that I want to share with you, and this website is called Corbin.com. So Corbin.com, what is this website? This website is an Instagram marketing content planning solution. What does that mean? It can help anybody on Instagram to have a steady growth, and they can get a lot of people that's going to follow them. So you're not going to be buying followers. So you're not going to buy fake followers, but this tool is going to do the work for you. You can also use this tool to schedule like your posts or your Instagram. There's a lot of people who's into the marketing industry, and there's people in network marketing and they do social media. They don't have time to consistently post every single day on Instagram and also on social media. So this tool will do all the work for you. Now, how is this tool gonna pay us a lot of money? You don't have to worry about all the features in here. You don't even have to go through everything. The main thing that you need to learn is that this will attract new followers to their Instagram. You're not gonna go message people on Instagram and ask them to sign up. And as you can see, these are some of the people that already use this particular platform and they're crushing it. So if you want to, you can go and check out their Instagram and see how active and how engagement the comments or their content is. So how are we going to be making money? You're going to be scrolling all the way down here at the bottom, right? And you're going to go here where it says affiliate. That's right. We're going to be talking about affiliate marketing. So they have a very good affiliate marketing program. That means you're going to be getting 50% of each sale that you're going to generate. So the more sales that you're going to bring in, the better it's going to be for you. So let's just walk through and see exactly how this thing is going to work. So any orders placed through your affiliate link or using your affiliate coupon for the first 6 months, it's going to be recurring payments. So 6 months consistently, you're going to get recurring payments and they're going to pay you over and over again, 50%. So the payments that you're going to be getting here from the affiliate partners, here it's going to work. They can use your affiliate link where it's going to be cookied or through the individual code. So you can give somebody the code or through the link, but we're not going to do that. You're not going to give somebody a code for them to go out there. You're not going to go into Facebook group and you're going to spam. I'm going to show you how you can get unlimited traffic to this particular link so people can sign up. Am I going to say that, okay, you're going to sign up for this and by tomorrow it's going to work or next week it's going to work? This thing takes time. I tried this method and I still make money from it, but I think I've tried it a good while now. So if you're looking for easy money, this is the video. It's not going to be the video for you, but if you're looking for something that you can set it up where you're going to make money, then this is the video that you want to watch. So how you going to earn? So one sale you can make on the personal plan, you can make $30, or in the business plan, you can make 90. If you make 5 sales, it's 150. 450 here if it's a business plan. 10 sale, you can make $300 or $900 in the business plan. And 50 sale, you can make $1,500 or $4,500 doing this method over and over again, right? So it's pretty cool. It's a sweet deal that you can make money. So once you sign up for their affiliate program and you apply right here, in 24 hours, they're going to get back to you, right? They're going to get back to you right away. They're going to tell you how it works. And they just check your spam. And in 24 hours, you're going to be processed. So once you grab your affiliate link, the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to go and we're going to create our own little ebook, right? So you want to go onto Instagram, not Instagram, you want to go to Google. And what I did was I type in free Instagram ebook. Now, why do I type in the free Instagram ebook? Is because we want to have something of value so when people read it and they enjoy it, the next thing that they're going to do, they're going to sign up for it. So I went over to this particular website that says Guideline for Growth, right? So when I click on it, it's going to take you here and you're going to get a free ebook. So you can get a free ebook and it's going to be followers, based on like Instagram account. They're going to have guidelines and everything. And it's only 21 pages. Now, you don't have to use all 21 pages, but you're going to get all the information from here. And then you're going to create your own mini version. So all you got to do, all right, let me just accept the cookie here. Put your valid email address, click your not a bot, and then you click on here where it says download. Once you click on here, you could download it from here, right? So you can click on here where it says download. Once you click on it, that's what it's going to look like. So this is how you're going to be growing Instagram followers, but you're not going to grow Instagram followers. This is for the ebook that you're going to create that we're going to be giving away so people can use it and they could sign up. So if you scroll down here, you could see all the different things. Now, if you want to take some of the information from here, again, don't just swipe the entire ebook, because if you swipe the entire ebook and you use it word for word, that's considered as stealing, right? So you want to read it, you want to go through it, you want to pick out some very valuable information. So just give a summary of the 21 pages. You can narrow it down to 9 pages or 10 pages. Or what you could do, you could just copy what you think is very relevant. If you can't come up with an idea, copy right here. You're going to head on over to Spinbot. You want to paste it here on Spinbot, right? And then you say, I'm a human with Spinbot. Let me see what I just, okay, why? Okay, so let me put W right here. Right, I click on here and then I click go. So I click on this, I click go. What Spinbot is going to do, Spinbot is going to, it's basically going to, okay, invalid CAPTCHA. Okay. Click on here. Okay, they said I need to find some mini bus, so I find the mini bus here. And then I click here and apply. And then I hit go. There we go. So once you do that, this is what's going to happen. It's going to tailor it for you however you want it, and you could do that. Now, you want to copy this entire thing right here, and then when you copy it, you want to head on over to Google. So you want to go to Google. You want to go to Google, google.com/docs. So you want to go to google.com/docs. Okay. Type it in wrong, google.com/docs. Okay, there we go. So we're going to go to google.com/docs and we're going to go right here where it says go to the Google Docs. Once you click on here, we're going to click to the blank page. So I hope you guys are following so far. Then when you create it, you can copy the entire thing, right? You can do the Spinbot. You can put some pictures in there to make it Instagram feel, right? You want to create the document, and then you want to save this or download it as, you could download it as a PDF. I think PDF would be a good thing. Once you download it as a PDF, now here comes the traffic. How are we going to get customers in front of our business, Andre? How are we going to get people to sign up through our affiliate link and things like that? Don't worry, my friend, I got you. So you're going to go over here. You want to go to SlideShare, and slideshare.com right here. This is a great website that has so many people and different traffic. So what you want to do, you want to sign up for SlideShare, sign up the information, and then you can upload and drag your ebook on here. So once you drag it on here, right, you can go over to Canva and you can create a nice little thing. You can put it, grow your Instagram followers just by creating a design. So you can look at the different templates and you can get like a cover, you can get a poster just like this, right? You can get so you can get posters, you can get brochure covers, you can get info, graphics, and all that. Once you do that and then you upload it, once you upload it on here, that's where you're gonna get unlimited traffic and people are gonna consistently go to SlideShare and they will sign up because they're gonna read that information because you're gonna put your affiliate link in this. Once you create it, you can just highlight it here, and I can show you can highlight it here. If you want to put your affiliate link, click on this, add your affiliate link in here, and then you click on apply. So you get your affiliate link over at Combine, you add it all over the ebook, and then once you create it, then you upload it onto SlideShare, and that's how you're gonna get customers inside of your business. So I hope that was good. I didn't want to go into too much details, but that was a lot of details that I just reached out. I didn't want to make this video long, but I'm sure the method that I share with you, you can go out there and you can crush it. So again, like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Check out my #1 recommendation down below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.